Guys, good morning. Topic is as a human, how can you make customer query handling? Also as a leader, I promise complete the because I want I want customer always remember me and keep relationship long time always because everything is uh, customer take long time less responsibilities. Customer can give more business. Like a leader, it's a long term relationship. First response because my bottom level staff is not taken in the response, and also and the higher management is not taken in the responsibility. So I take responsibility and touch with the customer in a long time, right? In clear communication, always front of the customer, clear communication, personal follow up, personal call pick, personal touching you, always. Like a because it's a give you and give me as a leader label and the customer query and a formula, right. It's a first in the rule impression rule, right. always होना चाहिए. You should be impression rule first when the customer and call of the visit. Say confidently, good morning sir, good madam, this is Rajendra Singh Nagi. Yeah, I will personally take care of your query. Don't worry, I will make sure this get resolved. I contact claim tones, right? Slight smile, sit straight, बॉडी लैंग्वेज ऑलवेज. आपने देखा होगा किसी भी टॉपिक में, किसी भी वीडियोज में मेरे बॉडी लैंग्वेज पे बहुत प्लीज़ कस्टमर रिमेंबर कॉन्फिडेंस, right. Second is, listen like a doctor. Don't interrupt. Use this entire method. LAST. L मतलब listen fully. A मतलब acknowledge. And I understand my concern, your concern, right. S मतलब solve and give timeline. किसी भी क्वेरी को सॉल्व करना, टाइमलाइन. टी मतलब थैंक यू दी कस्टमर. LAST लास्ट टेक्निक. L लिसन फुली. A acknowledge, right. I understand my query concern and customer query concern. S मतलब solve the give timeline. Thank you the customer. T मतलब I understand you and are the worried and about the carry and update, and I will check update you and before in the 4 and 2 p.m. and your dates and give you that some dates. Third is give time commitment, very important. If your team member not remembering, please always you remember. You keep in mind as a boss, as a leader, as a responsible person. Instead say, I will receive and the confirmation by that yesterday, tomorrow, yesterday 12 p.m. 1 p.m. When I given the time and I must and complete and before the deadline, right. Fourth is personal touch important, right. Save their birthday and wishes to the customer. Then if customer invested 1 lakh earlier and call them and quarterly, ask about the family once in the conversation. There's right. Fifth is my as a example, if team made mistake, as a leader never blame team in front of the customer. Say I apologize for the inconvenience. I will correct and this immediately later and internally and train team. प्लीज़ गाइज कस्टमर के सामने अपने टीम मेंबर को कभी भी आप उनको मतलब एडवाइस मत करिएगा. and don't blame the employee, and you know, always you motivate the employee, right? Apologize just as a leader, as a boss, as a responsible person, just I apologize for the convenience, right? I will correct the immediately soon. You know, 16th, you know, after resolution, follow the call, next day call, sir, just confirming, and is the everything resolved from your side, your query, my side, right? Simple. And seventh is make your name a brand, बनाए अपना नाम को एक ब्रांड बनाए, you know, in our areas that the people search and go to Mr. Negi या Mr. Rajender, he solved the issues and the fast. If customer in office, reach in office, you meet customer meet front of you, because you are a resolver in a very fast, and customer always will be happy. Consistency and reputation, just my as a leader mindset, right? Trust, authority, market image, and long term business, guys. Target pressure and relationship buildings, and you take more business from the customer, guys. Every commitment fulfill the and according to timeline. प्लीज़ गाइज लाइक करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए। जो ऐसे ऐसे माइंड में जो मेरे माइंड में क्वेश्चन आएंगे, इस पर मैं आप लोगों के लिए ऐसे ऐसे वीडियोज़ बनाते रहूँ, ताकि आप लोगों को पता रहे कि हाँ, ये इम्प्रूव हमें करना है। थैंक यू गाइज। ओके।